Okay, hello everyone. Today's date is March 6th, 2025, I believe. And we are out here mosquito chasing tonight. We had that storm front, that cold front actually, come through. And it's quite cold out here tonight. It's actually like 57 degrees out here. It's quite uncomfortable for me. I'm not a fan of the cold at all. I hate the cold actually. But I'm still out here chasing. I actually smell the spray, but I don't know where he's at in here. I can't hear him yet. I don't think he just sprayed this area because I would have heard him. It might be because that spray, like, he must have sprayed somewhere else, that it flew over here or something. And or like he sprayed somewhere else and it flew over here, or you know, he might have just went through here, but I probably would have heard him. And I literally just got here. It took me a little bit to get here because the cold and the wind, and it's super cold out. It's really uncomfortable, but I'm still doing it anyway because this is pretty fun. But I don't know where he's at, but we'll find him. Because this isn't a huge zone, so it's not going to be hard to find him at all. I either think he's over there in that gated community over there in the trailer park, or he's on the right in that other area across Rowan. So it just depends. But we will find him here shortly, but yeah. I'm actually walking because since it's so cold out here, I'm trying to walk instead of drive right now on this e-scooter. But yeah, I don't hear him yet. We'll get him though. Alright. Oh my lord. Okay. Just found him. That is why I have been having trouble trying to look for him. It's the electric fogger. That's my first time ever seeing it. Oh my gosh, I found him. Alright. It's the electric fogger. Jeez. That is so stupid. I cannot believe my eyes here. I literally can't, dude. And the spray is so stupid, too. It just flies everywhere. It's not even that windy out. This is so ridiculous. What the hell, dude? What the hell? This does not feel the same. And that's truck 85, dude. That was my favorite truck at the time, and now they just ruined it. Dude, the spray, oh my gosh, this is stupid. The spray doesn't even last. The spray just flies everywhere. Oh my gosh. And it's not as, like, thick and cloudy-like, like foggy-like. It's all just, like, mist. It's like sprinkler mist when you see those sprinklers that, like, when the wind's blowing, they... Oh my gosh, this is so stupid. I literally cannot believe this. There is no way that this is happening. You can't even really hear anything. I'm gonna get you up close up to this. This is just stupid. This is the worst mosquito chase ever. It feels so weird that I'm chasing the mosquito truck. The same truck that I've followed for years. Because I've chased that truck 85 for a long time. And yet, it's this quiet. And it's just a big light around it. This is just weird. I don't want to get too too close behind. I don't want to get in the spray. But all I can say is that this is like... Honestly, though, I don't even think they should be spraying out here because it's so cold. But, like, I guess they have their reasons. It just feels so weird that... of how quiet it is. I'm literally chasing something that is super quiet. Like, I literally can't believe it. Are you hearing that, dude? It's so chills. This is just dumb. Look at the fog. It's on the ground. It's not even supposed to be there. I've heard some negative things about those sprayers too. Those electric ones. That's a Clark, obviously. It ain't custom. They dropped the ball on this one, dude. This is stupid. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at this crap. You can't even... I can't stand this. I can barely hear that thing. That is such a difference. It just feels so weird. I don't want to lose him. I'm just gonna... Oh, great, he's turning into the gated community. Alright. I'm going... I think he's going into that little gated community there. I can't go in there, but, yeah. But, yeah, that's just, you know, sorry for the complaining, but, like, dude. Like, that ain't right. Oh, he's coming back around here. Never mind. Look at this. Look at this, dude. What the heck? What the heck? That is gonna get really hard to get used to. It really sucks because now, like, what's the point in chasing if they're all gonna be that way? They're not all the trucks are like that right now, but they're gonna be later if they already have one electric fogger. It's just like, that's really a drag. That's a blow to my head because, like, yeah. That really sucks, though. That's really unfortunate. That's really stupid. He's over here. He's coming down. And you can see the beacon just right there, flashing. Yeah, you can see that beacon flash. But you can't hear their blower anymore. I cannot believe this. I don't think he's coming straight over here, is he? Oh, he is. Wait, oh, never mind, he's turning. Yeah, he's turning. Okay, I'm gonna go over and chase him over there. And the other problem is that sprayer is now just spraying and, like, it's not spraying high in the air now, it's spraying really low, which I mean, it wouldn't be too bad, but that's not really great. That's just dumb. Alright, I mean, I can hear it just a little bit, but you have to be close to hear this. There's no way you can hear this. Not even, like, a block away. Or something. It's really... Yeah. There he is. Yeah, see, I see him coming down, but I just can't hear anything. That's just how poor it is. I don't know where to go. I mean, this is like and the fact that it's not loud anymore. Like, now we're just, you can hear me talking really well and crap. Now he's turning. Hello, kitty. I literally... Hello, kitty. What the... Bruh. Alright, kitty, you're gonna have to move. I need to chase. Go on, kitty. You need to move. I'm trying to get by you. Okay. Bye, kitty. Yeah, oh man, that is so dumb, the way it sounds like this. So, I know where he's going. He's gonna come down this road, so I'm gonna get some film right here. Just, you know, I'm gonna leave pretty soon. I'm not even gonna do a full chase. This is just really a big blow in my head, bro. This is just really dumb. I think it's coming down here at least. It's coming down over there. Never mind, I think he already sprayed this. Oh my gosh, it looks so stupid. It just looks so pathetic. That is dumb. I can't even see the fog. I can't see anything. Yeah. No, cul-de-sac. There he is. He's coming down. I see the beacon. This is just so stupid. I've said that so many times. I'm sorry, but like, come on. Look at this, bro. This is so... That is really, really dumb. But I'm gonna go chase now. So here we go. You can barely see the fog. And when he's driving, it's not even like fully spraying too, so you know, this needs to be changed. See that, like you can't even really see it. You can't hear them coming down. I think they need to think about this. Honestly, I hope they watch this film and they reconsider, but that's doubtful. But like, I don't see the reason why this is happening. Yeah, like, this is weird. Alright, I'm behind him here. Yeah, you can't even see anything either. Wow, this is so disappointing. There's some raccoons over there. I gotta be careful, but I was on this road earlier and I saw them. They were around right here, so... Yeah, I think that's one right there. Maybe not. Dude. This is plain all stupid. After this, I'm done. I don't think I want to carry on doing this anymore. I don't know. This is just boring. You might be turning this way. Yep, he is. Okay. I'll go chase it. Right over here. Yeah, here, he's just coming down now. Yep, there he goes. He's right here. Parking this guy's yard. Sorry to do this, but like, jeez. I can barely hear it. I can barely hear this thing, dude. What in the heck is wrong? This is not the same. That's all I'll say. Wow. Oh, whoops, wrong camera setting. Sorry about that. Alright. Alright, Mosquito guy is right over there. I'm just parked here. I'm sorry, I'm blocking the camera. Yeah, he's coming this way. No, he doesn't have the spray on. This is weird though. Bruh. Another round. There's speed bumps in here, so I gotta be careful, but yeah. Alright, after he comes out of here and goes, I'm just gonna head out. This is not only a disappointment, but also, kinda gotta get home, so. Yeah, but this is really stupid. I can't believe this. It's just really disappointing because it's not gonna feel the same. It's kind of unfortunate, so that's why I've been complaining about it a lot. It's really sad. But yeah. Yeah. No, he's not spraying. Okay. I don't know what he's doing. Guess we'll figure it out. This is so weird, dude. This is so weird. Another round. Before the video ends here, I just want to give my opinion here really quick on what I think about these electric foggers. You've seen that I was complaining a lot in the video, and this really isn't meant to be offensive to Pasco County Mosquito Control to them directly, but I really do think that they truly did drop the ball on this one. Like, this is actually quite bad, because one of the big things that is most good about their sprayers, their custom ones, is that they're very loud. They used to be loud back in the past. All of them are quite quiet now, but they used to be very loud. And with that, that would give an advantage to people walking their dog, because some people go out at night, and when they're spraying, well, people would hear that and then run back to going inside. And let's be honest, most people know what the mosquito truck sounds like. So I really think that they did drop the ball on this one. Like I said, this isn't meant to be really disrespectful to Pasco County Mosquito Control directly to them. It's just, I really don't think this was a wise decision, and I think that they need to reconsider putting back the old fogger, because these electric ones I really don't think give a true advantage that they think that it might do for them. I really don't think this is a good idea, and that is why I was so disappointed in this mosquito chase. And I will tell you this, if all of these foggers, if all those old ones become the electric ones, I'm not chasing no more, and this channel is not going to upload again. I'm giving that a promise, because I'm not going to support that. I'm sorry, but, I support their old foggers, but with these electric ones, I really think that this is a big blow. I think this is a really bad decision, and it's just ridiculous. I really do think it is. But hey, that's just my opinion. They might have the reasons and all this, but again, I don't think this is wise that this is happening, but there's nothing I can do about it. But either way, I do support that they are, spraying for the county in general to combat this problem of mosquitoes, but I just don't think these foggers are the right choice. But with all of this said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless, and there's more mosquito truck chasings to go on, because there's only one truck that has the electric fogger from what I know. So heck, I could probably see 80, 81, 82, 80, 84, 86, and 87. We'll see. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upload.